Right, so we are looking here at the knee to wall test. So we're going to gently take that knee to the wall. So this lovely girl has got real restriction in her ankles. She was a pole vaulter and has had several injuries. And coming back off, we're going to have a little look at her foot and work on it and see what we can do. Right, so I work with the Pilates equipment, and what we're going to do is have a look at how this foot is moving. When she sets herself up on here, you can see that the entire lateral side of the foot is dropped. So in effect, she's got her midfoot and forefoot in external rotation. So I'm suspecting that her cuboid is a bit dropped and the fourth and fifth metatarsals are going with it, and actually what it's doing is dragging the first metatarsal around. It's externally rotating that as well around with it. So I'm gonna just get in here with a bit of a hands-on. So I'm just gonna ask you to think about weight bearing through the big toe. You're gonna push down, lift the heel up, and we're just gonna give her a little bit of support through here, and I'm actually gonna take her first metatarsal and I'm going to draw it more into a neutral position, and you're going to start to drop your heel down. So we've worked on her a little bit one day before, and we had quite a drastic change because he was really blocked in the dorsiflexion, and so we're going to just keep going. That's it. Yeah, and you can see how as the heel comes down, she's wanting to fall more into that external rotation. I'm going to bring your foot a bit forward. That's it there. Now you're going to stay connected into that big toe for me. Good, and start. So I'm pushing up under the stop there. Give me more big toe connection. That's it. Now start to reach the heel down. Yeah, and think about your midfoot going into internal rotation as you drop. Now stop there, so we have a little calcaneus. That's it, and push down. Good, that's feeling easier already to correct. And start to drop. That's it, keep that big toe connected, keep it connected, keep it connected, keep it connected, keep it connected. I'm going to give her a little bit of space here because I can see there's a vector of pull of the tissues coming medially. So there's a compression going through here as well. And push down. And coming up with the foot. Good. Just going to hold that open. How does that feel?
Good.
Yeah, and at that point I could feel it drop into my thumb. Coming back and down. So we're going to be working on this foot now. The cuboid tends to drop and take the fourth and fifth metatarsal with it. And we've been working on it. She tends to get an external rotation of the whole midfoot, so we're trying to bring it back into medial rotation, especially the first metatarsal gets drawn with the cuboid and the fourth and fifth met. So we're just going to block here as you draw down. Good. And then you're going to slowly lower the heel, and I'm just going to give you a bit of space. That's it. Now, at this point, your foot's going to want to drop that cuboid. I want you to, in your head, yes, I could feel that, well done. So think about reaching through the heel without letting that completely collapse. And again, let's push down. Good. And dropping the heel, keeping the weight through that big toe. So you think about that medial rotation through the toes. Yes, good. And really let the heel come down. Nice. And again, and push. So Maria here has had multiple surgeries because she actually broke her talus and also had surgery on the fibula, am I right? Perineal tendon. Yeah. So there's multiple things going on here, but actually we're getting a really nice change just through this. Good. Keep that. So now is the moment of truth. We're going to see how that is bringing the knee to wall without allowing that ankle to go into pronation. So what's that feel like? Much easier.
Yeah.
Excellent. Yeah, she's never been able to do that before. So that's good.